Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Hard to Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the Bluetooth pairing issues for your SOUNDCORE Select 2S speaker. So, at first we need to go straight to the settings, and here we have to go into connected devices on the iPhone, and their settings, and then Bluetooth. Here tap this, here, pardon me. Here scroll the way down to the current preferences and to Bluetooth. Disable Bluetooth. Now turn off your speaker and wait for 10 or 20 seconds. Here, now, after waiting, we have to turn our Bluetooth back again and turn our speaker on back again. Now we have to check if we can pair with our speaker. If we can, that's nice. If we can't, we have to do a hard reset. To do a hard reset, we have to hold the Bluetooth button and volume plus button simultaneously for 4 seconds. Then we have to check if we can pair. If we can, problem is fixed. Give us a subscription. If it's not done, you have to contact device support because your device may be broken. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day.